Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I do keto vlogs, day in the life of what I eat in a day and meal preps and all the things keto related and lifestyle, you know, whatevs. I have 4 kids, a fluffy husky, 2 cats, and I love when you guys give me a thumbs up because it really does help my channel grow. Yeah, that's not usually my intro at all, but that's just what came out of my mouth. So today for lunch, I keep forgetting to record my coffee in the morning. So what I had this morning in my coffee was just coffee, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and some pumpkin cheesecake skinny syrup. That's all. I will try to remember to, you know, include that. So for lunch today, same thing as yesterday, only today I am not gonna go insane and go to the store and also get other things that are high in protein, high in carbs, and like basically eat all of my macros for the day and then still go home and eat dinner and like ruin my entire day. So I'm hungry, like I am hungry, and I blame that completely on my just my lack of paying attention. Even though I tracked, I still didn't pay attention. So anyways, today I have 1 hard-boiled egg and 1 serving of my chili. That is what I am eating. I mean, it's my chili, but it's not my recipe. I tweaked it a bit. I don't add like anything to it. Basically, you can see it in my meal prep video, but it's based off of keto gingers. I need to add that link to that description too. I'm really bad at remembering to include things in the description box, you guys. Anyways, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. I'm also just drinking water and blackberry Mio. I completely forgot to add my Soleil water to it. Why am I so forgetful today? Anyways, I'll see you guys later. What up, guys? What up, though? Hey guys. So it is 4:30. That's the 2nd day in a row that we got to work until 4:30. So woo for 10-hour days. I won't be saying that forever. But right now I'm saying it because yes, give me the money. Feels good to like know that literally all my bills for this month are paid. That is the first time in a very long time that that has happened. And that is an amazing feeling. I purchased, because I finally could, a, I can't think of words, a mount for my digital camera for my car. So that is awesome. I won't have to record with my phone when I'm in the car. I'm excited about that. And it was fairly cheap. I got it for like 17 bucks. I was thinking it was going to be a lot more. I tried to find one at Walmart and Meijer and I think even Target. Like nobody sold them. It's like an Amazon exclusive thing. So that should be here today. I wanted to do some sort of open collab. I want to see if anybody would be interested in joining an open collab with me if you have a YouTube channel, making your favorite chaffle. And then we would all put our video out into a playlist and then throw it out into YouTube. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. If that would be something that you would be interested in joining, if you have your own YouTube channel, then comment below and let me know, and we can see what we can set up if there's enough people interested in it. I would totally be down to do that. I'm not sure what we're going to settle on eating. My kids have pretty much already eaten dinner. They called me. They're like, Mom, I'm hungry. And I'm like, well, I mean, the fridge is packed full of food, cooked and ready to go. You just have to heat it up. What do you want? Can I have bacon? No, you're not going to just eat all the bacon. What do you want? Well, I don't know. What is there? Well, there's chili. Okay, I want chili. Okay, have chili. So they've already decided that they're eating chili. I think I might have the chicken parmesan. I might have some of that. Maybe. Or maybe I'll try the unstuffed cabbage, because I've never had it before. I didn't even taste it when I was cooking it, oddly enough. But it looks delicious, and it reminds me of like a goulash, but without noodles. Instead, you like used cabbage. So it looks good. It smelled really good, and I can't wait to make that. I really enjoyed the meal prep. I enjoyed the recording of it. I enjoyed the editing of it. I want to get better at that though. Maybe eventually I'll do like the meal prep type where I do a voiceover, which I feel like my voiceovers, I always sound so dumb. And I'm like, oh yeah, and then I did this. I think, no, did I? I don't know. I'm like spacey as hell. If you guys haven't noticed that yet, let me know what you guys think. Would you rather see my meal prep videos, just like see it and then have a voiceover of it, or would you rather me just be there and cooking and saying what I'm doing and just like showing you that way? And I know you guys are gonna say do whatever makes you feel comfortable. I know you guys. I know you guys. And I think that's the way I like to do it. But I wouldn't mind trying to do it that way one time. But yeah, like I said, I really like doing the meal prep videos, and I'm glad that I'm meal prepping again, because it's so easy, especially now. School starts on Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, so in a week. But I'm working till 4:30 again, 10-hour days, which is really, in reality, a 12-hour day, because it takes me an hour to get to work and an hour to get home. So I'm gone for 12 hours. And when I get home, I gotta make sure that everybody has done their chores. And now that they're back in school, homework, chores, everything. Like, I don't have time to be slaving over the stove, where if I just dedicate a few hours on Sunday, get it all knocked out, get it all done, it's so much easier. I needed to, specifically, I want to get those little glass divided containers made for like lunches, and also do my lunches, because I'm just grabbing the chili because that's the only thing that I portioned out. I didn't portion anything else out. I should have done that. That would have been a huge time saver, because the last couple of nights I've forgotten to do it, so I've just grabbed the chili, and that's what I've had for lunch. Where I made tuna, I made egg salad, like anything that I even made. I made the steak for like a Cobb salad, but I didn't like make it, you know? I just made the steak. But I'm new to it. I'm getting used to it. I want to see how much those glass dividing containers are on Amazon, and then maybe go to Big Lots, because, well, depending on which is cheaper, because I know Big Lots has those. You know who else had them? That damn Marshalls. I think it was like $10 or maybe cheaper. You know what? I love Marshalls. I cannot believe that dang place. I might just go there and get it. I'm gonna look on Amazon and see. All right. I'm gonna listen to some music, and I will update you guys when I decide what I'm gonna eat. Bye, guys. I gotta come clean about something. Not entirely, like, I haven't, like, left it out intentionally, but maybe I have, I don't know. I'm struggling again. I'm struggling where I was just talking to Aaron about it, and I feel like I need to just put it out there so people know that I am struggling again. Like, my period has been longer than it has been in a very long time, and I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I don't know if it's because I'm sitting and watching TV instead of like playing a game or like doing literally anything else. and if it's the TV thing that's triggering it or what. But like after I'm done editing my videos and it's like late, you know, night, I keep going in the kitchen and getting something, whether it's a piece of cheese or it was a keto bar last night, or a piece of tomato, or a slice of bacon, or just anything. I am going in the kitchen and I am eating it. And then I'm thinking to myself, after I've already started to eat it, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you doing that? I stopped myself the other night when I went in the kitchen and I grabbed something. I can't even remember what it was. And I think it was a pickle. And I almost got out of the kitchen. And I thought to myself, don't do it. Why? You're not hungry. It's like 9 o'clock at night. Do you really need this pickle? No. Go put it back. And I put it back. And I did good that day. That day I stayed under on everything. Last night, after I edited my video, I did it again. I went in the kitchen. What did I get? Well, I messed up at lunchtime yesterday, having the chili and the protein pack and the egg. And then I came home and I was like, well, I have to have dinner still. And so I had dinner. I had the BLT truffles and then the salad, and that put me over. And then I was like, oh, I have one keto bar left. And then I ate the keto bar, and then I had some weird yogurty thingy that I had from July. It's like a bar that I got from my birthday from GNC, and I'm like, I'm gonna eat it. I don't even know how many carbs it was. I didn't even track it. I mean, I know it was higher carb, and that's why it was sitting in my cabinet for so long. But I ate it. And I need to stop. And I tried to track it, but it was to the point where it was just, I don't even know. And I feel like I need to tell you guys this, because I don't want you guys to think that like people never struggle and like you have to be like perfect on keto. And I feel like I sabotage myself, because it's like every time that I get to a low, I do this. And I can't give you a reason why I do it. All I can tell you is that I will get back on track. I will do it. I know I will do it. I am never giving up. I have come this far. I have lost 70 pounds, and it may have taken me longer than it's taken some people, and I may have done it faster than some people, but everybody's body is different. Just because you haven't lost it in that period of time doesn't mean anything. Just because you lost it faster than me in that period of time doesn't mean anything. Everybody's body is different. Everybody loses at different rates. And as long as you are not giving up, as long as you're not throwing in the towel, and you keep going back to the right choices, eventually those choices are going to stick. And you have to keep at it. You cannot give up. And all of my mistakes have still been keto, at least, if that's a positive. I don't even know. I don't want to praise myself for doing that, but at least they were keto. I don't know. I hate saying that because it's still a mistake, but at least it's keto. I just want to get back to how I was for so long. I went 6-7 months without ever going over my carbs, without barely ever going over my macros, period. And now it's like I've just started keto or something, and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know. It's all mental, I'll tell you that, because I'm not starving. I'm not like just like so ravenous, like, oh my God, I need to eat something. It's not that. It's all mental. It is all my mind saying, without me even realizing it, go in the kitchen and get something. Go. And I just get up and I go, and I'm looking in the fridge, I'm looking in the cabinet, and I've stopped myself many times, and then I go back to the living room and sit there and watch TV. I don't know. I don't know why. But I'm not giving up. I'm not. I've done good today. I didn't add a bunch of calories and stuff into my coffee this morning when I had my heavy whipping cream. I mean, I didn't have heavy whipping cream. I had almond milk. I just need to get back on track. I need to make good decisions. And then I get back on track and then I lose weight. And then immediately I go back to being bad again. Why, Nacine? Why do you do this? It's like I don't know. I don't like it, but it's like I keep thinking to myself, do I like the pain? Like, am I enjoying the suffering that I'm putting myself through? I don't know. I just wanted to I felt like I owed it to you guys after talking to Erin, like, and admitting it to her. I felt like I owed it to just publicly admit it, that I'm struggling again. I was struggling and then I got back on track and now I'm struggling again. Anyways, thanks for listening. Okay, I'm going to record. I'm going to, hopefully this works. I don't like this thing that I got to hold my digital camera. Apparently it will only stick to windows. The surface isn't like my phone one, which as you can see is sticky. It's like a sticky surface and it has held perfectly fine. This is literally only window. I've sat in my car for the past 20 minutes trying to get it to stick to any part of my dashboard. It will only stick to window. So a little irritated about that. I suppose I really should have dug in deep into the comments, but I'm so disappointed. I can't even see if like I'm in frame. I don't know what you can see. You probably see like my steering wheel. Here's dinner. So this is about 275 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast. This is my Parmesan, chicken Parmesan. And then I made like a tiny little salad. I am over on my protein by like 2 grams and I'm under on my fat and way under on carbs. So as long as I can only have this and the sparkling water for the rest of the night, or anything that is under my macros, I will be good. It is 7 almost. So here's to staying on track.